I don't think we've really got to the bottom of what kind of weapon caused the damage to the oil tanks at the Saudi oil refinery. The questions that you have, I don't think have really been answered. Let's go through them. Very precise circular holes in 4 oil tanks, all at the same height, and secondly, the tanks didn't blow up. Well, we all know that if the tanks were empty, fumes would explode just as much as if it was full of oil or gasoline. It really doesn't make much sense to me. Thirdly, drones precisely bombing these tanks. Possibly, but incredible accuracy would be required, and it seems to all coming from the same direction, all the same height, and all these just puncture wounds in the tanks. Here's some footage that I found fascinating from a German weapons test. Now, the interesting thing is about this, look very carefully, is it's not GPS, it's a laser guided weapon. So once the weapon is targeted, it will carry on down without GPS tracking and hit at a precise point. Very interestingly, these were inert, probably just concrete filled warheads. Look at the similarity to the type of hole it made in a steel container and other buildings. Looks similar to the holes in the Saudi oil tanks. Keep making comments. That's the point of this channel, because the truth is out there.